Good morning. We've got a chart up there of the weekly dollar index, and you can see that last week had a really strong week. Now, when I say really strong, I mean, one of the strongest we've seen in a while. But I drew a little trend line up here, a little support line, and we just about nobbled that one on Friday, and we did close just up there as well. Our close was at 94.73. We really need to break that weekly moving average, which is 95.05. Obviously, if we could get above 96 and hit that up here, we would be quite happy. But initially, we've got to break the levels that we see at the moment. So really, dollar index has to break short term 95.05. If we can do that, you've got this 50% fib line. You can see up there at 95.97. And if you just take a little peek at that high there is at 96.30. So if we do break above here, that is the area I think we will gravitate to. Whether we can take out the big one up here, I'm not that confident about. That'd have to get above 97 for me to say, yeah, it's done it. In saying that, the indicators, well, the RSI is neutral. We are overdone on the stochastics. That's beginning to turn, but not at dangerously oversold levels. So again, we've got to take real care with this on the weekly chart. I don't see the dollar index coming down a lot. If you look across here, it's so well supported down at these lower levels. It really is. And I think really it's only if we took out either 92.70 or this one here, we've got 92.70. Then I think you would see a bit of a difference in the markets. We're saying that we've seen a lot of difference in the markets. But as I said, watch that trend line on the weekly chart, and we'll zip across to the daily and see if we can see anything pertaining to shorter term. So now we'll take a look at the daily, and you can see that we went vertical really on that one. This is a bit of a worry, but again, the levels are tying in. We've got 94.75 that we're looking at, okay, and we're roughly sort of above that at the moment. So we're above that, and we're above the 55-day average, which is coming in at 94.86. So the next level I'm looking at is this up here, which is 95.11, and then this up here, which is 95.54. If we can keep within those bullish parameters and being above all the moving averages, ignore the 200-day at the moment, that's just too far away. If I take this daily chart and squishle it up a little bit, okay, and hypothetically draw that line in, we'll take it from there, down, you can see we have actually broken the uptrend, but around about where the weekly pivot is at 94.37. So as long as we stay above that this week, I think we shouldn't have any problem with the dollar index going a little higher. Good luck, take care, I'll see you tomorrow.